What's up there, YouTube community? I am here at Ontora Lake today, and I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but close enough. And we are in upstate New York. A few weeks ago when I was here, it was covered in ice. So I have about 45 minutes to do some fishing, and I'm going to go as fast as I can, and hopefully we're successful. So let's get right after them. Alright guys, I'm going to start off with a little finesse worm here. Early spring, and just the thought being a little bit of a quiet approach. Might be a bass laying around this little tree here. I've caught them here before. The shoreline here is pretty clogged with a lot of trees, and I've never actually gotten over to that other side because you got to walk through a swamp, or around a swamp way up here. And I've never taken the full trek to get over to that other side, but I feel like that would be pretty amazing over there. But the bank looks really steep. Like I said, haven't made it over there, but going to throw a little finesse worm around here and then migrate on towards Bassman spinnerbait, and then definitely throw a Bassman jig around and see if we can't get bit. There's also chain pickerel in here. I've caught them before, so that's always another option as well. Alright, it is Bassman spinnerbait time. And I think what I'll do is cast out there, and then I'm going to bring it down this tree unless I get smashed by a big old chain pickerel, which would be kind of cool, because they tend to crush these spinnerbaits on the regular. Alright, let's do a little brown orange Bassman jig, see what they think of that. There's something swimming on the surface right there. I cannot tell what it is. It's right there. A little fish. I can't tell if it's a minnow or a bass. Oh my god, it's right there. You know what's so freaky is it looks like a little snakehead. It is the weirdest swimming style. It is right behind. I'm going to try to get it. It looks like a little, it's a salamander. That is hilarious. It's right under that stick right there. Little salamander, brown with red flakes. That was really cool. Little salamander. Taught me a little something. Got a little red flakes on him. Check. Hopefully this thing doesn't go down inside the moss where I can't find it. Okay. The water feels like it's pushing 50. Find out in a few minutes. Let's go ahead and catch a bass in the meantime. So cool, salamanders swimming around in 50-degree water. I am learning something new every time I come out. Alright, let's check the water temperature. We're looking at 50 degrees. Man, my hand is an accurate thermometer, I guess. 50 degrees. Alright, we moved a little further up the lake. And I'll bet you this water's a little bit warmer up here because it's a little shallower. So let's see if we can get on a bass up here after we check this water temperature. All right. We are at, yep, about 52. So it's 2 degrees warmer up here. Let's get after some bass. Come on, bass. There we go. There we go. Nice bass. Nice pretty bass. Look at that, boys and girls. Got ourselves upstate New York. Gorgeous largemouth bass. It's got to be about 2. I'm not going to take the time to weigh him, but I am going to put him underwater here. I missed him flying back past me. He went the wrong way up this little creek, and then he came shooting back down, and I pulled the camera out at the wrong time. So anyway, that was cool. So moved up here to this 52 degree water, and just like that, one on a Bassman spinnerbait. Go to bassmanjigs.com and get you one. They work. Okay, sorry that trip was so quick, but I only had 45 minutes, and in that time managed to see some salamanders in 50 degree water, which I found rather cool, and caught that one bass, about 2 pounds. So tell you what, when you got a quick trip to make and you go out and you see some cool stuff like that and you catch yourself a bass, makes it all worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do me a favor and hit that like button down there, and also subscribe. Leave your comments below, and I will see every one of you on the next video. So tight lines, everybody.